I'm Dr. Chada, your Denver chiropractor. And recently I posted a picture on my social media that has me pointing to the tattoo on my right arm. And so some of you are wondering, what does that tattoo mean? What does it say? Well, stay tuned and I'll explain it to you. So before I explain to what the tattoo means, we gotta go back to about 2008 when I first discovered Korean pop music, or K-pop. As I would listen to the music, I would get frustrated because it sounded amazing, but I didn't understand what they were saying. And if I went and Googled the lyrics and or watched the YouTube videos with the subtitles, it just wasn't the same. And I felt like I was losing something in the translation. So I wanted to listen to it and enjoy it in its native tongue. So I went out and I got the Rosetta Stone and started to teach myself Korean. However, in about lesson 3 or so, it got really frustrating because if you learn like German or Spanish, it's in the English language using the English alphabet. So it's a lot easier to retain because you already have all the tools you need to put all the pieces together. However, in Korean and like other Asian languages, they have symbols. Korean has 24 symbols. You have 14 consonants and 10 vowels. So once I learned those, it got so much easier to learn Korean, not only to learn it as a language, but to read it and write it. So, fast forward to when I graduated from Sherman College of Chiropractic. I wanted something to kind of just solidify the accomplishment that I had. So, I thought, what better way than to put something Korean on my arm, but for something that meant something to me. So, phonetically, it reads as intended, however, it's just gibberish in Korean. So again, 14 consonants, 10 vowels. But every single consonant has to have a vowel following it in the beginning. So this right here is the D sound, or D. This next to it is the vowel, which is an Ah sound, like A-H, Ah. So you have Da. This here is G, or a hard K, depending on where it lands in the written language. So you have D, A, G. This here is the T sound. This is the vowel of like So T, This here has a hard CH sound, like ch. Again, you have the A. So you have the A there, A, and A again. So ch, A. Here you have the D from up here and the A sound again. So da. So it reads D, A, T, Ch, A, D, A. Dr. Chada. And that's my tattoo. Thanks for watching.